Welcome back to another video by Chemical Engineering Life. Have you ever wondered what are the top 5 hard skills for chemical engineers in the health, safety and environmental roles? Watch the video till the very end to find out. And before you do, remember to like, share and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life for more videos. Let's begin. The skill that we have at number 5 is chemical process simulation and modeling. It involves using specialized software to simulate chemical processes and evaluate their performance in a controlled virtual environment. Simulation tools like Aspen Plus and HSE allow chemical engineers to model complex chemical reactions, analyze system behavior, and predict the outcome of various operational scenarios. For chemical engineers in the HSE roles, this skill is invaluable because it helps them assess process risks, optimize performance, and design safer chemical systems. By modeling hazardous scenarios, engineers can evaluate how changes in processes might impact safety or the environmental outcomes. Learning this skill typically involves gaining proficiency in process simulation software, understanding thermodynamics, and taking multiple courses in chemical engineering and process modeling. To get hands-on experience, engineers can practice this skill by using simulation softwares in academic or work-based projects, participating in training programs, and collaborating on design teams focused on safety optimization. The skill that we have at number 4 is the health and safety systems. These are the frameworks that manage workplace safety and environmental protection across various industries. These systems include the implementation of policies, procedures, and practices that ensure the health and safety of the employees. For chemical engineers, familiarity with the HSE systems like the ISO 45001, which covers the occupational health and safety management, and ISO 14001, which covers the environmental management system, is essential. It is because these two standards provide the structured approaches for managing risks and promoting a culture of safety. Chemical engineers can gain expertise in this area by obtaining certifications, attending workshops on HSE standards, and developing safety management strategies for chemical processes. Additionally, hands-on experience in creating safety protocols, conducting training sessions, and managing HSE compliance audits only strengthen this skill. The skill that we have in number 3 is the risk assessment and hazard analysis. It involves systematically evaluating the potential risks and hazards associated with chemical processes. Techniques like HAZOP, which is short for Hazard and Operability Study, FMEA, which is the Failure Modes and Effects Analysis, and quantitative risk assessments help engineers identify where and how accidents might occur and implement measures to reduce or eliminate those risks. In an HSE role, understanding how to analyze risks is crucial for preventing accidents that could harm people, property, or the environment. Chemical engineers must know how to conduct thorough assessments, prepare contingency plans, and implement controls based on their findings. This skill is best developed through hands-on experience in safety audits, learning risk management tools, and attending specialized risk assessment courses. Chemical engineers can also practice this skill by engaging in simulated hazard analysis exercises or by joining industry-specific safety teams. The skill that we have in number 2 is the environmental regulations and compliance. Environmental regulations and compliance encompass a range of laws and guidelines aimed at protecting the environment from industrial processes. Chemical engineers must understand regulations related to air and water quality, waste disposal, hazardous material handling, and emission control. This knowledge is essential in an HSE role because non-compliance can lead to legal consequences, environmental harm, and reputational damage. Therefore, chemical engineers need to ensure that chemical processes meet the standards set by these environmental agencies. To develop this skill, chemical engineers should familiarize themselves with national and international environmental standards, participate in regulatory workshops, and engage in practical training on environmental management systems. And finally, the skill that we have at the top at number 1 is process safety management. Process safety management is a systematic approach to preventing the release of hazardous chemicals and minimizing the risk of accidents in chemical plants. It involves identifying potential hazards, evaluating risks, and implementing control measures to ensure the safety of the environment. Process safety management on key elements such as hazard analysis, safety culture, and continuous monitoring of safety processes. For chemical engineers looking to work in HSE, process safety management is critical because it helps reduce the likelihood of catastrophic events which can have severe environmental and human consequences. In order for you to learn the process safety management skill, you can attend specialized training programs, obtain certifications such as the Certified Safety Professional designation, and even participate in real-world safety audits. And these were the top 5 skills that we feel are the most important if you would like to work in a health, safety, and environmental role. To learn more about Chemical Engineering Life, do remember to visit www.ChemEnggLife.com, and also do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.